Hello my dear students. So in this video we are going to discuss the assessment scheme of midterm. This time we are having subjective type of tests along with objective type. Objective type will remain of 20 marks and the subjective type test will constitute 30 marks. Students, before appearing for your objective or subjective test, kindly ensure that you have properly logged into your Google account. The pattern of objective type of test will remain same as we have already done in online test first and second. You will receive a link on the WhatsApp group before the starting of the exam and you have to click on that link. When you will click on that link, your exam paper will appear. So first of all, read the instructions properly and then proceed ahead for filling your details. Firstly, fill in your email address and write it completely. Otherwise, it will say it is not a valid email address and you will not be able to submit. Write your full name and fill in other details like your father's name, class, section, your contact number. So be very cautious while filling all your details, okay, because you will be able to submit your response only once. So before submitting or going to the next step, check all the information provided by you carefully. Now go through your exam paper, read the questions very carefully and then give your response to all the questions. Okay, so read the questions carefully, look at all the available options and then give your response. Don't leave any question unattempted. Otherwise your form will not be submitted. So you have to give response to each and every question. So as you can see, I am giving response to all the questions, but here I am giving response quickly and you people need to go through the questions very carefully. You need to think about them and then you have to give the response. So as you can see, I am going through each and every question and then giving my response. Same thing you have to do, but the difference would be that you need to be very careful. You need to give time to each and every question. Understand what the question is asking you. Then go through the diversity being provided you in the options. And after being confident enough about the answers, then click on any one option. You people will be having sufficient time for giving your response. The time duration for objective type test is 1 hour. Okay, so utilize that time. Don't be in a hurry. Once you have given the response to all the questions, don't be in a hurry to submit. Rather, go back at the top from question number 1 and check all the answers or the responses which you have given. Cross check that whether you have clicked on the correct option or not, which you think the answer is, and then click on submit. Here you will see option view score and then click on view score. My score was 19 out of 20 and this was the response being provided by me. Now you can see along with every question whether the response provided by you was correct or not. So since my score was 19 out of 20, it means I have committed mistake while giving answer to one question. so I can go through the complete paper and search where I have committed mistake. So here I can see this was the incorrect option being selected by me. So now let us discuss the subjective type test. You have to click on the link which will be shared in the WhatsApp group. When you will click on that link, the exam paper will appear. So firstly read the instructions carefully, and you can see the marks distribution also over here. Fill in all your details, email address, your full name, other details like section, father's name, contact number, what all details are asked from you, you have to fill in properly over here. So now you have to go through all the questions and you have to write the answers in a notebook. Write all the answers in a notebook and then upload the answers. Okay, so with every question you can see add file. Click on this add file, then click on select files, take photo, and then take the photograph of the answer being written by you. Take the photo, use photo, and then upload the file. Okay, click on upload and it will start uploading. So now you can see the answer has been uploaded along with the question. Same process you have to repeat for every question. Take photograph of all the answers and upload it along with the question. Okay, so the same process will go on repeating, and you can see one more option over here, add more files. So if any question is having answer more than 2 pages or 3 pages, you can add more files over here. You can click on add more files and you can add 2 pages, 3 pages, maximum 5 pages can be uploaded by you. So the same process will be repeated. If you are having 7 questions, 8 questions, you have to repeat the process, and this is how you will upload the answers to each and every question. Check the images properly that you are uploading right image with the right question, otherwise you will not be awarded marks. After uploading all the answers, you can click on submit and it will show like this: your response has been recorded.